Hello guys, welcome with another video. Let's make our new art with marker colors, same as this pic. Firstly, we trace the same design on sheet. Let's go ... Here is the tracing design. It traced perfectly on sheet. Let's start. Take different marker colors and make shades with dots. I know many students don't know the name of this art, am I right? This art basically called Stripling Art. It made by using pencils, marker colors, or pointers, whatever you want. It's a tiring work, but I enjoyed it. Let's fill the door portion with dots. It's just the half, there's a lot of work left. Do this work as faster as you can because I take 3 days and nights to complete it. Okay, finally reached the upper part. It's more difficult to do this because there's a lot of detailing work here. Just a little of it left. Exhausted. It's about 2 a.m. but I have to complete it because tomorrow is the submission day. Finally come to end. Have a close look on it. But it's not completed yet because framing's still left. Here, a complete look. How is it looking? Let me know in comments.